Right, now here, second variation of diagram sums, grade 11. Welcome, I'm Mr. Simons. Diagram sums given in ratio form. Right, so it's given in a form of an equation. So, if cos theta equal 3 over 5, and theta is less or equal to 90 and greater equal to 0, determine the value of tan theta, 1.2 sin theta plus cos theta, tan theta plus cos theta. Most of the time they would say without a calculator. So before we can solve anything, we first need to understand what is given to us. No? So cos is x over r. So there x must then equal either positive or negative 3 and r positive or negative 5, right? So we have to find the value of y using theorem of Pythagoras. So whether x is positive or negative is dependent on the ratio. So this ratio states that we're going to draw a right angle triangle in the first quadrant because we're only going from 0 to 90. Right, so let's look at it. So if we're drawing in the second quadrant. We have x from cos 3 and r being 5. So y there must also be positive. So my restriction first quadrant, 0 to 90, as you can see. So y squared, if I solve for y, would equal r squared minus x squared. So that would give me 5 squared minus 3 squared, 25 minus 9, which is 16. To get rid of y squared and make it y, we'll always find the square root. When I find square root of the value, I must remember my plus and minus signs. So y then equal 4 or y equal negative 4. Y can't equal negative 4 because we're in the first quadrant, right? So hope you follow. This is the difficult part. Now we can go solve the easy part. Alright, so we should know now x is 3, y is 4, and r is 5. So to get tan, it will always be y over x. So 4 over 3. Sin theta plus cos theta, tan theta plus cos theta, sine is my y over my r value, 4 over 5. Cos is x over r, which gives me 3 over 5. Tan y over x, which is 4 over 3. And then cos again, x over r, 3 over 5. For the first bracket, we have a plus sign. To add two fractions, denominators must be the same. So it's 5 and 5. So 3 plus 4 would then give me 7 over 5. Yeah, because the denominators are not the same, we're going to cross multiply. So 4 times 5 gives me 20. 3 times 3 gives me 9. 9 plus 20 gives me 29. But 3 times 5 gives me 15. Right, and there if we add that, finish. Multiply 7 times 29, 140 and 70. No, 140 and 63 gives me 203. And that's 50 and 25, 75. So 203 over 75, or you can write it as a mixed fraction. Right, so hope you enjoy the lesson. Hope you understand what I've done. Wish you nothing but the best. Please like, share and subscribe.